Hi everyone, welcome to Sepi Food channel. Today we're going to make a delicious Iranian dish called sour cherry rice, Albaloo Polo. Let's start by removing the pits from the sour cherries. It might take a bit of time, but this little step is what makes our Albaloo Polo so special. Here's a simple little tip. You can use a drinking straw to remove the pits from the sour cherries. It makes the job much easier and helps the cherries keep their beautiful shape. Now that the pits are out, it's time for a little bit of magic. Layer the sour cherries with sugar, then let them rest for 3 to 4 hours. As they sit, they'll slowly release their natural juices and turn into a beautiful ruby red syrup. This is what gives Albaloo Polo its signature sweet and tangy flavor. Now it's time to grab an onion. Take one onion and grate it well so its aroma is released and it forms the flavorful base of our dish. It may seem like a simple step, but it makes a big difference in the final taste. Now we mix the ground meat with the grated onion and spices and knead everything well together. This is where all the flavors come together and form the base of our dish. The more you knead it, the more tender, flavorful, and well combined it becomes. Now we shape the meat into small meatballs. This is one of the most important steps of Albaloo Polo. These little flavorful meatballs will eventually come together with the rice and sour cherries, taking the dish to a whole new level. Now we add the meatballs to the pan and fry them until they turn nicely golden. This step brings out their rich flavor and gives them a beautiful color that makes the dish even more irresistible. After a few hours, it's time to put the sour cherries over heat and let them slowly cook down into a rich, flavorful syrup. This is where their deep color and sweet, tangy taste really come to life. And just look at the beautiful color the sour cherries have created. Just look at it. Now it's time to cook the rice. This is where everything starts to come together, the base of our Albaloo Polo. We gently prepare the rice, getting it ready to soak up all those beautiful flavors and that rich cherry syrup we made earlier. For extra flavor, you'll need some slivered almonds. Add them to a pan with a little oil and gently sauté them. This simple step brings out a rich, nutty aroma that makes the dish even more delicious. Now it's time for one of the most exciting parts of Albaloo Polo, frying the sour cherries. We gently place our beautifully colored cherries over heat so their aroma and flavor deepen, and the rich syrup becomes thicker and more delicious. This is the moment where the magic of the dish truly comes together. To enhance the color of the dish and give it that signature touch of Persian cuisine, we need saffron. We grind it well, then add it to boiling water and let it steep slowly so its color and aroma are fully released, adding its magic to the dish. Now we layer the rice, sour cherries, fried meatballs, and saffron in the pot. Then we lower the heat and let it slowly steam, allowing all the flavors to gently blend together and create a perfectly balanced aromatic dish. This is the moment when Albaloo Polo reaches its peak flavor. Finally, we pour the syrup we got from the sour cherries over the rice. This helps the color and flavor fully soak into the rice, making our Albaloo Polo even more vibrant and aromatic. After 30 minutes, our Albaloo Polo is ready to serve. The aroma of saffron and sour cherries fills the air, and all the flavors have come together beautifully. A colorful, fragrant, and truly Persian dish is now ready to be enjoyed. Albaloo Polo, with its ruby red color and sweet and sour taste, has always been one of the most special Persian dishes. It is said to be so beautiful and delicious that it once graced the royal tables of Iran and was served at special occasions and celebrations. I hope you try making this dish and enjoy it. Bon appétit! For more videos, subscribe to the Sepi Food channel and enjoy the content. Love you all.